Today I'm going to teach you the perfect crochet knot, the one that doesn't come undone even if you pull it really hard. Want to learn? Hello, I'm Ju from the JNY Crochet channel, and today I'm here to teach you this very interesting technique for joining yarns in crochet and even in other crafts like knitting, for example. To start, we're going to take our yarn here. I'll first use two different colored yarns so it's easier for you to see. We're going to do this process here. Pass one yarn over the other like this, as if you were going to make a knot. And then make a little loop and pass this yarn here, look over and then through the loop we just made. It will look like this, as if there were two little loops, each facing the opposite direction. Then you just hold the ends and pull tight to close this little knot we made here. Look how nice it turns out. It's really firm. You can do this with cotton yarn or with wool, which works really well too. Now you just need to cut this little end here, this excess thread, and look how perfect the join between these two yarns looks here. You can do this as you work on your piece. It works perfectly here. And then you can join threads of different colors like I did here. The join between the two yarns will look really nice, but you can also do it with threads of the same color like I'm going to do now to show you how the perfect join looks, right? Even more perfect than when we join two threads of different colors. Shall we see how it turns out? And try to do it at home too. I'm going to repeat the same process. And after you do it, just use the joined yarn here and keep crocheting or knitting if you're doing crochet or knitting. Now tell me in the comments if you already knew this technique, if you had already managed to do it, and if this video helped you. If you don't follow me yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can keep watching my videos. Hit the like button and share. And take the opportunity to become a member too. Click the join button to support my channel and also get access to exclusive benefits for members. For example, the exclusive videos we have here on the channel for subscribers, for channel members, the supporters. Now I'm going to say goodbye, but I'll leave you with a recommendation for another video for you to watch. A big hug to you all, and I'll see you in the next video. See you then.